keep you waiting any longer for the next set of model homes we're featuring in this community. We're here in Meridiana in Manvel, Texas, taking a look at Drees. So we are here looking at Drees 2 model homes in their 70 and 90-foot sections here. Incredibly excited to show you these. They're not only incredible products that Drees has brought here to show and show off, but they are well priced here in Meridiana's newest development. So I'm not sure if you've heard, but Meridiana has a whole new set of model homes in this community. They are ramping up and have been gearing up for this all through last year. And now they've had their set of model homes going here for the last several months. We're here checking out Drees. Starts in the 620s for their 70-foot sections, in the 770s for their 90-foot sections, both in the gated communities here in Meridiana. Let's go check them out. Kicking off the tour, showing you the Maxwell plan in the 90-foot section. So this is the B elevation as far as what the appearance looks like on the exterior, but it is a 5-bed, 5-bath, 1/2 bath, 3-car garage, and 5,073 square feet on the inside. They have built in some upgrades for this plan. It is a 5-bedroom. There's a media room, there's a game room, there's a home office, and a wine display. Can't wait to show you everything this one has to offer. Here's the wine display. Just an incredible front entrance. I love a good closet space near the stairs because you always get more. Lovely half bath. Half baths just look better with a dark tone to it. Laundry room. Great size laundry. Wine fridge, sink attached to the primary closet. And then incredible living area here, all the way up to the 2nd floor. Incredible fireplace area. Tons of windows. Great plan. You can see that you really can truly fit any kind of furniture in here that you want. And up top there, you can see the open to below. The kitchen is a true chef's kitchen. You got a ton of cabinets. You got the top tier cabinetry on the upper tier there. Butler's pantry. Just a lovely kitchen here. They definitely went with a lighter feel here. Breakfast nook. Very light and bright in here. The highlight back here in the yard space is definitely the patio. The kitchen out here is an upgrade, but it definitely completes the space for sure, added here. Just a great area, a ton of space out here, definitely extended. This is an oversized yard, but you can do a lot with a yard like this. You can put in a pool, you can do what they did and add in a little putting green. Tons of space out here to do whatever you want. back towards the front of the house, we are checking out the bedroom. Nice size room. This could be a great mother-in-law suite. Cathedral ceilings. Great room here. Walk-in closet. It's got its own bathroom. For this room, they definitely went with the contrasting theme, the black and white theme here. It looks really good. Taking you back to look at the primary bedroom. It's a great space as well. It's really its own little wing of the house back here. I love that. Great space. Again, with the black and white theme, definitely should give you some ideas for a modern theme. Tons of closet space. You got double closets here. Good sized vanities. You've got the tub kind of built into its own wing. Good sized shower. And another good sized closet here. This one is smaller, so you know who that goes to. I'm going to go around here and show you that the laundry does, in fact, lead out to this closet. And like I said earlier, it's just an incredible laundry, great space. We're going to go up now. And I've got the second floor to show you. And what an incredible second floor it is. You have the media room and the game room off to one side, and then bedroom 3, 4, and 5 on the other. And then just look at this open to below from the front and from the back. Lovely catwalk style here. And so we're checking out the game room and the media room right here. Lovely lounge space. You can do all sorts of stuff here. There's a little nook off to the left there. Tons of space to work with and set it up however you want. And then great media room back here. Like they've shown here, you can do some really good curtains or window treatments here that would basically minimize all of the light coming through. Great game room closet, storage closet. And then back around to the bedrooms. So you've got one bedroom on its own back here. They've brightened up the color tones a little bit. And once again, showing you that it is possible to put double beds here. It's a good sized room. With its own bathroom. Walk-in closet. brightened up the palette here and kept it really light and bright in here. Last two bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms, and they've continued on with the white and black theme here. Good sized rooms up here. I think they've shown you some good options for window treatments if you wanted to keep it lighter with some light coming in, and then some good options for totally just drowning out all the light for media room or just darker bedroom spaces. Let me know what you think about this one, but stay tuned. We're looking at more Drees and we're going to go see the 70-foot model home now. Stay tuned. All right, we're looking at the Elliot plan. So if you want to go with Drees and you're looking for a one-story, this is an amazing option. This is the Elliot. We're at a 4-bed, 4-bath, 1/2 bath. It's a 3-car garage and 3,153 square feet of living space here. This one has it's got a media room. It's even got a wine bar. The only true thing that it's lacking here compared to the other plan we just saw is a true dedicated game room. If you needed it, you could convert the media room into game room, and that's kind of its own flex space anyway. Or you could kind of split it and make a smaller media and game room into one. So lovely space here too. I really think Drees does an excellent job with their model homes and showing you what they can do and just some options, especially for color palettes and window treatments and just utilization of the flex areas. Here's the study. Also cathedral ceilings in here. If you didn't need a study, but you wanted another room on the first floor, you could definitely make that into a mother-in-law suite, I think. This is what they're dedicating as the media room, but it could be a game room. It could be another lounge area. It could definitely be any kind of flex room that you would want it to be. This is the wine room here. And we come into the living area. Cathedral ceilings. The kitchen height ceiling falls down. Love that. It's a bit more cozy feeling. But overall, good sized space here. You still have the built-ins, you still have all the craftsmanship that Drees offers. Just in a little bit smaller footprint from the first floor plan we saw. Laundry is here near where the garage would be. Good cabinet spaces and this lighter brown cabinetry that I absolutely love it. And then we've got 2 rooms back in here, back towards the back of the house. Its own bathroom, kept it light and bright. Walk-in closet. And then last bedroom here. also with its own bathroom. Let me know what you think about this plan so far. We gotta check out the backyard here with this plan. I want you to see the patio here too. Another outdoor kitchen here. It is an upgrade to do the outdoor kitchens, mostly because it's a preference thing. Some people want it, some people don't. But I just love the cathedral type patios in the back. Another good look at the kitchen and living spaces. And then last but not least, the primary bedroom. This style of primary bedroom and bathroom is definitely a fan favorite. People really love the layout here of this bathroom. Tub and shower with the bench seating. And a great closet here. Cathedral ceilings in the primary bedroom. Which floor plan do you prefer? Do you prefer the bigger 2-story that we saw first? Do you prefer this 1-story style? Let me know, and I'll see you on the next video.